Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here as can you see we got the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute your ringtones you should swipe this white dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here in default volume button control you got selected the ringtone, not the medias. And now just by using your volume buttons here on the right side of your device, press your down volume button, and by this way you can also mute your ringtone. And also you can do it with the help of your fingers. Just press your up or down volume button, this doesn't matter, and with your finger you should slide down this white dot, and by the same way you can just mute your ringtone on your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.